What's up, my noodles? Welcome to my channel. Today's one of my favorite days ever because I went to the mailbox and I got my booty bag. And every time I get my booty bag, I run straight to the camera so I can show you guys what I got. That way I can show you all next month's subscription before it comes out, which gives you time to click on the link below and subscribe to your very own booty bag. And I know my hair's a little rooty right now. I'm gonna get it done on Thursday, and I was like, should I wear a wig? But it was either this hair or this hair. And I know it took me a minute to get used to orange hair, but now I feel like I embrace it. But enough about me, let's get to the bottoms of this. You guys get it? As usual, I open this here and you guys get to watch me struggle. And of course, every time you get your bag, it will say, hello babe, I'm here, XO Booty Bag. And for those of you who don't know what Booty Bag is, it is a monthly panty subscription. For $12 a month, you get 2 pairs of panties, and you have the choice to pick between thongs or cheeky ones, or you can pick a mixture of both, or get surprised every month. It is up to you on how you want to do your booty bag. And one thing I learned is that they actually ship internationally as well. So for those who are not in the US, you are able to subscribe to your very own booty bag as well. And guess what? They also donate to a good cause. Did you know that for every selfie you take and hashtag #undermatters on Instagram, they donate $1 to the Melanoma Research Foundation. So that means your photo and your face will be going to a good cause. So without further ado, let's see what monthly surprise we have this month. This is always so exciting. My 2 favorite colors. Look how pretty this color is. It's pink, but it's like a, how can you say, like a neon pastel. Like this is the front and then this is the back. And look at the back. There's a nice waistband that's like somewhat continually uniform from the front to the back. And the back has just enough lace to be cheeky, but like it covers all, you know, the goods. This color is so pretty. It's so unique. Like if there was a lip color or like an eyeshadow or a lip color I could use as an eyeshadow, this would be on my face. But for now, we'll just put the panties on my face. It's not the same thing. These are so pretty. These are my favorite ones. I'm so glad you guys can share this moment with me. These ones are really cute too. These are black. What I love about these is that they're seamless. Like literally, look at these seams. There are none. They're smooth, no lines, nothing chunky. They're fluid. Look at the sides, just enough touch of lace. And these are like, they're cheeky, but they're not thongy cheeky. Like they're cheeky, because I've had cheekies that are thongy. I don't know if that makes sense, cheeky, thongy, cheeky. But like, they're like, they kind of remind me of like boy-shaped underwear. They kind of remind me of like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday underwear. They remind me of good old classic underwear. Comfy, cozy, shapely, not all in the junk underwear. I really love it, and I love black because you can't go wrong with black. Black goes with everything, and I already know these are comfortable because I've been subbing a booty bag for a couple months now, and everything I get from them is completely comfortable. And that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Hey, even you in the back. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and support your girl. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified of all my videos as I post them. So that way I can see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching again. And toodles.